Yeah, I'm wearing a tie. Woo! I've got to go to work again at some point, and I have to wear a tie today. Anyway, that's boring shit. It's Friday. It's payday. The sun is shining. This is Skyrim. I'm indoors. I'm playing Skyrim. This is the best game. The best first-person RPG anyway, ever. So, what is going on? I'm just going to do a quick thing about this. This is called an arcane enchanter. If you pick up any items that are enchanted, except staffs, you can't do anything with those. But any armor, any rings, any weapons that are enchanted, don't sell them. Do not sell them, even though they're worth a lot. Bring them to one of these things. This is an enchanting table. And press A. And you see at the top on the left it says disenchant. Yeah. If you click that, then you get a list. I haven't got anything at the moment, but you get a list of all the items that you can disenchant. If you disenchant it, your enchanting experience goes up quite a lot. And you learn how to enchant that spell on a weapon or armor, which you'll find out later how that is very, very useful, almost game-breakingly useful. Right. So, do not sell your magic weapons, people. I'm looking at you. Right. Anyway, that had to be said, because I made the mistake just now of going to the shop and selling a magic item and then going, oh, I should have saved it and done this. I haven't played this for a few months, so I'm still a bit green. This is an enchanting table, also very useful. If you know all those flowers I was picking, this is where you use those. So on the internet there are lists of how to make potions. There's a very good app for the iPhone. I don't know if it's for Android. It is called Field Guide, FIELD space GUIDE, and it looks like this. Can you see that? Sorry, that's it. Right, and it gives you a list of ingredients and what they do. Because when you pick up all these flowers and stuff, I'll give you an example. Right,
I thought you were already on your way.
Everything you pick up, when you first pick it up, you don't know what it does. See the purple mountain flower? I got 38 of those. Unknown. These are the potions that you can make with it, but at the beginning you don't know. You can find out a little bit about it by eating it, which is quite risky.
What are you still doing here?
So you make potions. The more you do alchemy, the more you find out. And you see this one is fortified conjuration. But you get a list of what they do. So I recommend using that. Mixing two ingredients that you know make, for example, a health potion. Then you discover it unlocks these unknown things. So, and then it makes a list down the side here of things you can shortcut. So, for example, restore health. We got butterfly wing plus blue mountain flower. I discovered that because I used this app to find out which ingredients do I need to make a restore health potion. Right, I need blue mountain flower, butterfly wing. Okay, I made that potion through this menu, and then it appeared in the shortcut menu on the left. So I can make restore health potions quite easily now. Anyway, that's what that's all about. Actually, we're probably going to need some of these, so I'll make 2 more. So 1, 2, okay. Quick alchemy, yes. Right,
I thought you were already on
those
your
two
way to
tables.
resolve.
Now, another thing I want to tell you right now is about a special plant. On the subject of herb, there's a special plant. This plant doesn't regrow. It is special. There are only 2 plants that don't regrow in this game currently, I believe. Right, just for reference, we are in White Run, which is a very short run from Riverwood, and the guys in Riverwood said, "Oh, go to White Run and warn them that there's a dragon coming." Optional quests. All the quests in this are optional. However, I really recommend doing the first couple of quests because you need to get your dragon shout. It's a kind of magic spell, and you wanna. They're quite easy at the beginning, so they're level appropriate, if you know what I mean. So, and plus you find loads of special items and stuff like that. So I recommend doing the first few quests and then going out on your own and exploring this massive, huge world. There's stuff all over this map. See that huge mountain? Anyway, back on track. So easy to get distracted. Oh, I don't need that, do I? No.
God might get nervous.
There it is. I'm trying to remember what the run button is.
What is it?
No, that's not it.
Looking to do some hunting, eh? Avoid hidden shipyards. It's southeast.
That's it. Found it. It's the left trigger, the left top trigger. Right, I remember that. Right, so we're in White Run. We just left White Run. We are on the trail of... Actually, the quest that we have right now, which I'm not going to show you at this second, is to go into a dungeon, a very dangerous dungeon, and find some kind of tablet or something. Not an iPad. The original meaning of the word tablet, which means a stone with a carving on it, or the Romans used wax to reuse, so they could, like paper, they could carve things in it and then reuse it. Anyway, we're on a trail of a special herb or plant. Why is it special? Because later on there are quests regarding this special herb. It is quite rather special. So we're going to pick it. I'll show you where to find it and how to find it. But we're going to pick it and not use it. Not until you've done a few of these other quests. Right. The thing about this plant is it always grows, or nearly always grows, by a water source, a pond, a river, a lake. So, if you're on a trail for these, if you need these plants, then you follow a river or any water. You go around the edge of a pond or around the edge of a lake, and you'll probably find one. Yeah. And once you picked it, it's gone. Right. Also, and a good thing about it is when you get near the plant, can you hear that? That humming, it makes a special humming sound, and it glows a little bit as well. So when you get near it, it stands out quite a lot. Anyway, this is the plant we're looking for. It's called Nirnroot. And once you picked it, it's gone. Yeah, that ain't gonna grow back. Okay, so there it is, Nirnroot. And if you're on a trail for Nirnroot, what you would do is you just follow this river all the way as far as you can. Both sides, you'll find Nirnroot. dotted along the rivers. If you find a lake, you go on the outside, and so on. That's Nirnroot. There is a... I'll show you this when I find it again. There is a farm somewhere on this map. I think it's over here somewhere. Somewhere over here, I think. It has 10 or 15 Nirnroots growing in the garden. So there you go. Right, so there's a couple of quests that you pick up later that have require Nirnroot in varying quantities. Right. Okay, that's it for this short video. I'll make another one in a minute. I just want to separate the topics. Right. Nice one. See you in a bit.